Top of the morning. So right now I'm about to go meet up with my boy Shamar. We finna get our resonators deleted. So we finna do a resonator delete. You know, I have my stock resonator on. I'm just about to get it straight piped, and he actually have his muffler actually fell. Oh, his resonator actually fell off. So he have a nature delete. Hashtag nature delete. Let's start trending that bitch. Nature delete. Come on now. Hashtag it. But he got his resonator fell off or whatever. I guess he had a pothole or something, so he don't have a resonator. So we finna go to the muffler shop right now. Not the one where I did the previous video, because that one's like an hour and 30 minutes away. I just wanted to do it for the drive and for my, my other guy, my other friend. But this one is actually closer, so I don't know if we're gonna sit there or if we're gonna just take off or whatever. But I'll keep you posted on now. I mean, that's how it sounds. But when I get next to him, I have him hit the gas or whatever, so you could hear how mine sound before, and then I could do a after clip or whatever. Probably the same with his too, before and after. But I don't think it'd be a difference with his because his is already off. So that's where I'm at right now. Stay tuned. Peace. That just happened. Got my baby from storage. $76%. Nice day. Oh, got my baby back. My boy Shamar helped me out when to get it. It's for YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah. I gotta try to get everybody together now. The champ is here. I am definitely about to go get her a bath now. After inspection. Inspection is old. Yeah, stay tuned. New York weather.
You ain't going to the back, or you going to do the front and the back?
Yeah, front and back.
Alright, tell me when to go.
Alright, you go now. That's how it sounded before. Alright, now my boy finna do his.
I think it's going to sound quieter.
Oh yeah?
Are you going to do it too?
Oh, you are doing So that's him with his nature delete, the one that fell off. Comment if y'all want him to just keep it like that. We gonna find out though. It's mad windy today.
Yeah, I think it's going to sound quieter.
Yeah. Yeah, I just told them to comment if they want you to keep it like that. Yeah. She swears she's cute, right?